Right mna ndizokonwaba apha. Kaloku +1 kaMpilo. Yo! Guys, uvuyokazi exit yakhe. Molweni and welcome back to Ezechisa Bay Entertainment, guys. Ngifuna nje sidingideni indaba ye-exit kavuyokazi ayishaye izolo wadropha ibomb kwaze kwathuka ngisho uGabadiya we-relationship uTirelo wajabha umlomo wacoshwa phansi, guys. Naye wazibuza ukuthi yo, if he can treat uvuyokazi like that, who am I? Whomst am I? Kusho ukuthi nani one day uyoze angetreat kanje. Wahlala phansi manje uGabadiya we-relationship uTirelo. Insimbi ethi yona mina I don't care. Yenza i-introspection for the very first time. She decided ukuthi mayihamba uvuyokazi ashaye i-introspection. So guys, izolo laphana ke uSne, a massive huge round of applause for uSne for the very first time exerciser her duty of being a bigger sister. Okwahlalisa phansi uMpumele bengenandaba futhi nokudla shame, because if bekuyimina ayibo guys bengazobe ngilendaba mina ngoTirelo nobani bani, I was just going to be eating njengo Pilo noLwandle and uAbongwe. I was just not going to be good business yabanye abantu. So uyabuza njengasihleli lana nje, do you think your two sister wives mucabanga nje ba right yini? Umpumelelo go obviously guys siyamazi. I feel like at this point siyamazi he never wants to take accountability for anything. Wathi ba right mayilanani, you need to be specific. Obviously I feel like sonke siyazi ukuthi about what it's about. Virgin le I decided ukuyithatha wathi ke no abantu ba right. Wabebuza ke right hand man yakhe uTirelo ukuthi right angithi, wabe ehleka kuTirelo wathi ya mina ngiright. And then ke kwabuzwa ke uvuyokazi, what about you? Uvuyokazi wabe esisho ukuthi no, I'm okay, yabo ngiright nami. As a result ngifike lana as a +1, and I hope ukuthi nizothi keep on invite kwama family gatherings ngoba angise lona ilunga lomndeni. It's only my children ke who are part of lomndeni lona ke babeke oTirelo bezethukisa ke baze benza ama introspection. But ke guys, ngaphandle ke kokube yabo ngishona le ngihleka and doing all these things, I think Vuyokazi living the relationship like that might be a good thing for uTirelo, because naye uzobona ukuthi maybe uSibindi really is not the guy I think he is. He just ill treats women. Nakena uhlezi engafoni, sometimes akamboni. Mhlambe nayo she is going to get a wake up call and amshiye uMpumelelo. Maybe angazi, but yo guys, the chances at this point, like uTirelo shame une weakness, uyamthanda angazi ukuthi yini, uyamthanda shame uMpumelelo. I'm not going to lie, but I wish angamshiya esenengane eyodwa engakamzaleli more children, amshiye nje a break up naye. So yeah guys, your thoughts, ngiyacela si engage and ngizonibona on the next one. Bye.